After that, I received a letter. In the letter, it says that team don't want to be mentioned in my videos if they're gonna be topic about war in Ukraine. And I have a question. How I can be quiet about the situation in Ukraine if it's a part of my life already? As I said in my Ukrainian project, I am Russian speaking. So obviously I'm always keeping myself in my life as a Russian. This is how I've been thinking about myself. So now loads and loads of things happening in my brain, and I came to this country where freedom is number one, and this is Scotland, and this is my Scottish project, Brave Heart. Right guys, I'm done and I'm ready. I'm ready for what? For Knockhill. And yes, he was right. The car which I was unloading is exactly the car which I use at the Brunswick, and this is exactly the car which is going to start my new project, Brave Heart.
Now it's strapped up. Yeah, nothing's going to fly about. All right,
The hook is at the back.
Your hook's at the back,
Yeah.
is it? Okay.
No, at the back.
Yeah, no, I'm just checking. Yeah, no worries. Just making sure you got nobody. Making sure there's nobody in the back of it.
Ah, no. I'm not working today.
Give us a minute, because I'm not sure about that helmet cam.
Oh, this one?
Yeah. Just give me a minute.
Okay, no problem.
Go ahead.
Yeah, then it's this driver here in front of me. He's got a helmet on, but he's got a helmet cam right at the side of his eye. It's like built into the helmet. Are we allowing that?
Shouldn't be any helmet cameras down.
Copy that. You can't take it there.
That's alright, no worries.
Yeah, it's just in case it breaks and that and goes in your eye and things like that.
No worries, mate, no worries.
Okay, no problem.
Cheers, thank you.
Cheers, pal.
Right, one camera, but we have another camera. And we entering the Knockhill circuit. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, let's take it easy. Let's learn the venue first of all. Look at that! Oh my days! I'm loving it! Let's take it to this corner because I can't see anything. Ah, here he is. Okay, cool. Got it. Let's go for this. Oh my gosh, I love it. I really do love it. Okay, brake, nice and easy. Wow! Prius at Knockhill on a truck. Oh my goodness! Is that car far away? Is that gonna catch me quickly? I don't know, to be honest with you. Where's that car? Alright guys, this Prius is really cool for this truck. Come on, overtake. Ah, you're driving Ford. You're driving Ford. Oh my god, I need to take easy on this venue, seriously. I need to take easy at the Knockhill because this circuit is so pushing you every corner. It's telling you go for it, go for it. But you know what? I'm shitting myself to go for it. I love my Prius. Let's go. We have a power now. Here we go. Go guys, go. I know what you're driving Prius. Come on. You are driving this super cool sleigh ride. Oh my god, I can smell my tires. What the heck? You are so slow. Here we go. So good. Look at that. Right guys, here we go. Session done. I'm definitely. I don't think I'm gonna push harder because it's seriously this circuit is scary. This car is cool, to be honest with you. Let me speak a little bit about the truck. Prius doing up here really good. I like that bottom section. It's just amazing because you're going all the way down the hill. For Prius, it's really cool. That one up the hill, oh my god, it's so loud. That one up the hill, you can feel it that the car is literally like, come on, you know. But the bottom section is just brilliant. And of course, I like the location. Knockhill location is cool. This is Knockhill actually. Right and that's why the truck name Knockhill. This is for people who don't know history of this venue. Is the exit the same? Where's the entrance? Oh, it's up here.
That's it, right there. First left. All right, mate.
Thank you. Okay, so I'll give a few more minutes for my car to cool down, and actually, for you, it's gonna be really quick. Look, is that car gonna catch me? I don't think so. No, he's not going to catch me anyway. It's a Prius. Okay, we're braking on 100.
brake really harder. Turn in, make the front to grip into this corner flat out. Come on, go, you ruined me. The whole lap you ruined me. Mazda. Okay, because you're Mazda, I respect you. You're not BMW, you're not Mercedes. So respect. I'm nearly on the cross. Stupid asshole. Okay guys, I noticed one thing and I need to sort it out. Alright guys, I forgot to fill up my car. This was the issue. Let me quickly fix it. And I still, when I'm back, I'm still gonna have 20 minutes. So I'm gonna be really quick. Right guys, we have a passenger with me now. So we have a passenger ride. There's people interested how Pru's doing on the track. Especially for Knockhill. Because it has a really good braking, I love it. It's a very settled car. And maybe it's change suspensions. Would be much better. Racing tires and the car is ready. Didn't know what these guys are gonna do. Let me go on another straight. We're all getting frustrated at the end of the session. Yeah, but everybody to have fun. Oh yeah. The front tires at the moment gripping really badly in that corner.
Yeah.
One more.
Yeah, it just shows you can have fun in anything.
I'm happy that you enjoy it.
Yeah. I've been out with a few people tonight. You're probably one of the better drivers.
Well,
So it doesn't matter if you've got a Porsche. If
exactly.
You can't drive it, you can't drive it.
Exactly. I love that corner.
Yeah.
He's letting me go. Okay, thank you, mate. Oh my God, I always interested how BTCC doing up here.
No, it's you've done well.
They coming this year at the end of the year, isn't it?
What is?
The BTCC, British Touring Cars.
Alright, okay, yeah.
Okay. Pit
That's a
lane.
big thumbs up anyway.
Thank you, mate. Here we are. Right, guys. Wow, what an amazing session. What an amazing day it was. And I can tell you, this is seriously amazing and the best venue. Honestly, look at this view, look at this view, guys. This is the final corner. Sorry, I didn't learn all the name of the corners. Guys, that's it. Session over. It's nice and peaceful now. Thanks a lot for watching. Like button, subscribe, share this video, and guys, leave a comment what you think about Prius on the track, and just leave a comment what you think about more videos with the Prius. And as usually, I'll see you in the next video. This was Brave Heart. See ya.